Mortgage rates got better last week, but only returned closer to where they were 2 weeks ago. The mortgage rate story over the last year has been mostly about the Federal Reserve's attempts to squash inflation and reduce their balance sheet. In the wake of that, mortgage rates have been on a tear upward since last year, and the month of July 2023 has seen more interest rate moves for the better and for the worse in relation to where everyone thinks the puck is going next. With the next Fed meeting right around the corner, everyone is reacting super quickly to inflation and jobs data because those two things weigh heavily on the Fed's next decision more than anything else. And even the idea of inflation and jobs being inextricably linked might be weakening because unemployment is still way lower than the Fed wants long term, but inflation is slowing in line with what they have been hoping to see. In short, it doesn't look like the strong labor market is aiding inflation anymore. So how the heck will they get to unemployment at 4.5%? That question still remains unanswered. Thus, like a sailboat stuck out at sea, mortgage rates continue to get whipped around by the influence of data-dependent decision-making coming from the powers that be. The question that dominates looking forward is whether the Fed will pass on another rate increase at the next FOMC meeting or not. Of course, there are varying opinions, but I believe the Fed will follow through with what most Fed officials are indicating. There's a 92% chance that the Federal Reserve will increase their rate at the next meeting. And the new change is July's hike could be the final one. It will certainly take more data to support that theory. However, with both ears and both eyes open, I can't ignore that there's already been a few hints that could be the case. What has me scratching my head is the idea that investors, traders, money managers, and the markets think that the Fed may begin lowering rates by the end of the year. They already said they would not be doing that. So A, these people don't believe the Fed is being honest. B, these people think there's something unnamed lurking around that could cause the Fed to begin lowering their rate before the end of the year. Or C, they're anticipating such great pain to the economy from the current rate impacts that a rate drop would be necessary to prevent an all-out catastrophe. So which one is it? D, all the above? This is honestly so wacky. And here's a quick look at what's coming up in the markets this week. Monday, we get the Empire State Manufacturing Index. Tuesday, core retail sales and retail sales. Wednesday, building permits and housing starts. And Thursday, unemployment claims and existing home sales. And that's it for this week. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can catch every single episode.